Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find channels in Microsoft Teams using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Teams apps on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, at the bottom of the screen, tap the Communities icon. This shows all the teams you are a part of. Each team may have multiple channels. Find the team you want to explore and tap on it. You will see a list of channels under that teams. Channels may be named for specific topics, projects, or departments. If you have a lot of channels, tap the search bar at the top of team. Type the name of that channel you are looking for. Then search results will show matching channels so you can go directly to the right one. Tap on the channel to open it. Here you can see posts, announcements, files, and conversations related to that channel. You can also post messages or reply to existing threads. To make it easier to find channels in future, tap the three dot next to the channel name and select pin. Pin channels appear at the top of your team list. And that's it. That's how you find channels in Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.